Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We have to present the result of the mini research, and the title of the mini research is the Mount Merapi erupts. It is 22 hectare wounded, expert subject neglected. Abstract. The article discusses the eruption of the Mount Merapi is West Sumatra Province, Indonesia, which result in the death of at least 22 hectares. The eruption is suspect negligent as the status of the mountain had been on their level since 221, and hiking from not haven been allowed. The article also mentioned that some of the victims were college students, and one of them was hiking with his mother. The article provides information on the condition of the mountain after the eruption and the possibility of more victims. The head of the Indonesian Association of Geologists point out the possibility of negligence and suggest that the family of the victim would sue the natural reserve Conservation Office for Criminal Negligence. The ex-head of the office argued that there was an agreement between the regional government and the local to open Merapi for hiking.
One introduction. The eruption of Mountain Merapi in the West Sumatra Province, Indonesia on March 12, 2021 result in the death of at least 22 hikers who were in the vicinity of the volcano during the incident. The authorities suspect negligence as the status of the mountain had been on alert level since 2011, and hiking should not have been allowed. The tragedy has raised concern about the safety of hikers near active volcanoes and the responsibility of the authorities in ensuring their safety. This topic highlights the details of the incident, the condition of the mountain after the eruption, and the possible legal consequences for those responsible. 2. Review literature. The eruption of Mountain Merapi in West Sumatra Province, Indonesia on March 12, 2021 result in the death of at least 22 hikers who were in the vicinity of the volcano during the incident. The eruption was unexpected, and the authorities suspect negligence as the status of the mountain had been on alert level since 2011, and hiking should not have been allowed. The tragedy has raised concerns about the safety of hikers near active volcanoes and the responsibility of the authorities in ensuring their safety. The incident highlights the need for proper risk assessment and management of natural hazards, especially in areas where people are likely to be affected. It also underscores the importance of educating the public about the risks associated with hiking near active volcanoes and other natural hazards. The Mountain Merapi eruption has also raised questions about the responsibility of the authorities responsible for managing the natural reserve Conservation Office or BKSDA in the province. The acting head of BKSDA in the West Sumatra, Eka Damayanti, argued that there was an agreement between the regional government and the locals to open Marapi last July to make sure the hiking route was safe. However, experts have pointed out that the status of the mountain had been on alert level since 2011.
3. Method. The provided text does not explicitly mention any specific research method used to gather information or analysis the topic. However, it appears to be a news article or report that presents information and opinions from various sources, including eyewitnesses, experts, and authorities. The information is presented with quotes and statements from different individuals and organizations. Therefore, the method used in this case is likely journalistic reporting, which involves gathering information from various sources and presenting it in a clear and concise manner. 4. Result and discussions. The given text report on the eruptions of Mount Merapi in West Sumatra Province, which result in the death of at least 22 hikers. The headline highlights the tragic outcome of the eruption and the experts' suspicions of negligence. The acting head of the Natural Reserve Conservation Office argued that there was an agreement between the regional government and the locals to open Marapi last July to make sure the hiking route was safe. The text highlights the importance of hitting warning levels for the safety of all and suggests that the family of the victims could sue the Natural Research Conservation Office for criminal negligence. Overall, the text provides a detailed account of the tragic event and raises important questions about safety measures and accountability.
5. Conclusion. Based on the information provided, it can be concluded that the erosion of Mountain Merapi is West Sumatra Province, Indonesia has caused the death of at least 22 climbers who were around the mountain at the time of the incident. This raises questions about the parties responsible in ensuring the safety of climbers near active volcanoes. Apart from that, there are also responsible related to the authorities responsible for BKSDA in the province. Thus, the erosion of Mountain Merapi undergoes the importance of risk management, responsibility for community safety, and emergency response in natural disaster situation. The safety of residents and visitors around active volcanoes is a primary concern, and enforcing a province safety standard and risk management is critical in preventing similar impact and in the